Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker JBL Horizon 3 on your iPhone. So you have to start by open App Store and now go to the search at the right bottom. Now click at the search line at the top, or if you have iOS 26 at the bottom, and write JBL 1. Now search, and you should install the application what's called JBL 1. Now open it. Hello. Accept. Get started. Hello. Hello. And while using the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.